I there for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Elizabeth. If you didn't already know, today I decided to bring you guys this Ankara inspired butterfly look. I'm super excited about it. I feel like no one's done this look so far. So I really hope I'm starting a trend. If you guys, I encourage everybody watching this video to go and try and recreate this look. Tag me on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. I'm pretty much everywhere on every social media platform. So tag me on any of those if you do recreate it. I'd love to see them. I kind of went with a more Ghana inspired fabrics. I'm gonna put the fabrics on the screen that inspired me. But yeah, so pretty. I'm gonna also link I'm gonna try and make an affiliate link for the Amazon brushes that I use. They're actually nail brushes, and the glitter as well is where is it? I can't find it right now. Yeah. The glitter also is an Amazon glitter that I put on the inner corner of my eye. It's so pretty. It has like iridescent gold, red, and blue. It's beautiful on the eye. I didn't know it was gonna look this pretty. I was actually gonna toss these glitters, but they look amazing. The lashes are Victoria Lash from my lash collection, which I think you can still buy them online. If not, DM me on Instagram and I can ship them out to you. They are really pretty. These ones are a little bit more sparse. They're 25mm, but they look amazing with this butterfly look, and I'm shook. Like, I even used this dotting tool. It didn't turn out perfect, but Ankara is never like perfect. If you look at it, it always has like little, because it's like dyed prints, it always has like little mistakes, and that's also what I wanted to create with the stamp of the butterfly. But it's so beautiful. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror because it's that pretty with the hair and everything. But yeah, if you guys recreate this look, definitely let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias, which will be linked down below. Yeah, today I'm back with another video. If I didn't already say in the beginning, I am doing an Ankara butterfly look, and I'm so excited for this look because I haven't seen it done. So if y'all see someone out there trying to steal my idea, let a girl know so I can have a friendly conversation with them for them to gain credit. So we're gonna jump straight into this video. I'm first just going to tone my face, and I'm just using the tonic facial toner, and this is by Thayers. I just started using this toner, and I honestly can say that it has done a lot for my skin. Ever since I started using this facial toner, my face has been amazing. I'm actually gonna film a skincare video sometime this week. I just want to get over because I did a full like intensive care skincare regimen a few days ago, so I just don't want to repeat that. I will do a voiceover as the video goes on from here. It's just kind of easier for me. If you do want more talking videos, I do plan on filming a few more talkative videos as like this week, and then those will be up and then you guys can enjoy those. But this is for the Ankara butterfly that is going to be on my Instagram. Be sure to check out my Instagram because all the photos to this look, as well as a mini tutorial that is always fun, is going to be on my Instagram. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay, so I took this raggedy, this is one of my old wigs. Oh, this is not it. We're gonna expose the relaxed hair. Ooh. So I'm gonna put that on my head, plopped it right back on. I wish it was that easy. It was just a nice cut and I thought it was cute. So I'm just gonna tie the hair out of the way. I was kind of feeling myself a little bit. It was kind of cute or whatever. So I went on straight with my Honeydew Meal primer. This is my new favorite. Even though I am oily skin, I did find that it helps my makeup look really smooth recently, especially when I'm working with this Juvia's Place foundation. So speaking of sis, we are going in with Juvia's Place foundation, and I forget my shade. I think it's Zaria or something like that, but it'll be linked in the description. And I am just doing low-key TaylorMade Jane's like whole whole foundation routine, but this is a little bit of a mix of mine. So I'm just going in, I don't really know where I'm really placing it, like I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just putting it on kind of the places on my face where I want to be my regular face color, and then I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple underneath my eyes, just where I want to highlight my face, and down bridge of my nose, everywhere we want to look snatched and sharp. So I love to look like a nice contoured butterfly. So I'm going in with the shade Sticks from Juvia's Place, and this is, I don't remember the shade color to this one either, but again, everything, like all the colors and everything will be linked in the description box below. Then I blended it out with my beauty sponge, and I didn't get that on camera. I actually forgot to record that part because I was recording a video for Instagram as well. So I just blended out the rest of my outer part of my face and the contour and the foundation with like a flat blending brush. Now I'm going into my Sacha Buttercup just to set my face, as you usually would, just regular bake. This has been my new favorite with this foundation from Juvia's Place. I don't know, the two just mix together really well, and it looks really good against the it looks really good against the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's amazing. So I'm just kind of blending that out, and now I'm gonna just puff all of that away with this Real Techniques brush. And yeah, look at how pretty and airbrushed everything is just coming together. These two together are just like amazing. I'm obsessed, and I think this is my new staple. Like concealer and Sacha Buttercup, this concealer in particular and Sacha Buttercup is like crack to me. It's like the best. It's honestly the best. So now I'm just contouring with my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette like I usually would. And yeah, do you see when I put the contour on my eyes, it really now, like that's a new thing I started doing. It really drags my eye out and gives me this really nice cat-like pulled back look. I don't know how to explain it, like the foxy brow trend, almost like a model look. So it really pulls my face up, especially with my brows now being shaved off at the ends. It helps a lot. So I'm going in with these two blushers from the Juvia's Place palette. Not really blushes, but they're eyeshadows, but it looks amazing. And I'm actually pulling this up higher than I usually would, just because I really want a nice flushed butterfly look. And recently I've been just loving pulling everything up towards my temples. It really gives you a nice pulled look, and like the whole model thing is in right now, so this really gives you that model snatch slim face. So I'm going as I usually would with my P. Louise base in Rumour number 2, and we're just going to prime and prep our lids for the shadows that we're going to be packing on. And this is an amazing one to use with this Take Me to Brazil palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics. Yeah, there was a little tiny lash on it. So I just went into this lime green, or like I think it's a lime green, yeah, and then I just put that on my lid, going into my Maran Paradise AQ 30 color palette, and I'm taking this orange color and red, and I'm beginning to create my first Ankara pattern. So I'm just, just rough handing it. It doesn't have to be perfect, because again, Ankara is very handmade. It's not like perfect. I don't know, it's really hard to explain. None of them are perfect, and no two Ankara are the same, I've noticed. So they have their own different stamps and prints, so that's what we're trying to create with this butterfly as well. So I'm going in with the black from that same palette to start drawing my first butterfly wing, and then I'm flicking it up towards the end of my brow. I just really liked how that looked. It's my new butterfly style. I haven't seen anyone do it this way, so I really recommend, if you do try it the way I did it, to tag me on anything on Instagram. I definitely love to see them and repost them to my story and stuff like that. So then I went in with a yellow from that same Take Me to Brazil palette, put it under my eyes, and now I'm creating my square boxy Ankara pattern. So I'm just kind of doing it in a checkered form, and then I'm gonna crisscross it with the red. I have no particular way how I was doing this. When I paint, I just paint, and then I let my hands do the work. So then I also added, I'm not too sure if you can see, one little orange dot, like one little orange square. No reason at all, I just thought it looked more like the pattern that way. And then a little teardrop on the butterfly. It's not a teardrop, but we'll call it a teardrop wing. And then I'm just creating designing the rest of my butterfly wing. Ooh, I was feeling it. She was cute. So now I'm just gonna line my eyelash line with the same Maran face paint in black, and we're just going to give myself a little bit of a cat eye effect on the inner, because it is not a Nigerian glam without that little cat eye effect in the middle. Now I'm going to the Juvia's Place Magic Minis, and I'm taking the two iridescent green shades in it just to add a little bit of glint and sparkle to the inner corner of my eye. But I did find that that was not doing enough for me. She was just not it, so I went in with a glitter, and I did apply my lashes off camera. Again, these are the Victoria lashes from my lash collection. If you would like to purchase, definitely DM me on Instagram at ECI Extensions. on Instagram, or DM me at Elizabeth on Instagram and I can ship those out for you. Definitely. I have all the lashes in stock. So now I'm going back into that palette and I'm going in with an orange. I went with yellow prior, but I didn't like how that looked. So I went in with an orange to just kind of bring out the bottom crease, would you call that? Bottom lash line. And then I went in with my regular favorite mascara. Then we went in with this beautiful gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Tara gloss, and on top of it went in with my Jeffree Star Dominatrix Velour Liquid Lip to line, sprayed on some Morphe Continuous Mist, and this is the matte version. I love it. I'm in love. I'm never going back to the regular. And now I'm using that same Jeffree Star lipstick just to add some freckles to my face. This has been my new favorite method. It dries amazing and it looks just like real freckles, and every time I do a butterfly look, I have to add freckles. I do not know why. It just finishes off for me. Like, it just finishes it off for me. I don't know. I just feel like such a fairy. So then I went over top of my brow. This is something new I did, and added a few freckles there, and I really liked how that looked in opposed to putting it on my chin and my nose. I just really liked how this looked the most. I was testing out these gems to see if I liked it, but I didn't like it, so I just flipped this off. Ooh, it's looking cute. I think this is my favorite butterfly look I've ever done. So just going back into the blush, and I'm just going to lightly fluff this over my nose to really add to the naturalness of the freckles. And this is the final look. I put on this nice water wave wig from my collection. If you are looking to purchase one, definitely message me on Instagram and I can definitely hit you up. It's so beautiful and it really brought the whole look together. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like and comment and share with your friends, and comment down below any other videos you want to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.